Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So this is another air fryer February 2022 video. So friends, if you love buffalo chicken pizza, you are going to love this recipe. So today we're going to be making buffalo chicken egg rolls. Yep, egg rolls. I don't know if you guys saw my video. I posted it, it's been months ago. It was cheeseburger egg rolls, and that was the first time I've ever made those, and I was really skeptical, and oh my goodness, they were delicious. So you have to check that out. But I thought, you know, my husband and I, oh my gosh, when we moved into this house 25 years ago, I guess now, we found this pizza place that made the best buffalo chicken pizza ever. That really was the first time I ever had buffalo chicken pizza. Oh my goodness, friends. And ever since, you know, they ended up going out of business. They just kind of disappeared one day. That's a whole nother story. But anyway, my husband and I, we make homemade buffalo chicken pizza a lot for dinner or lunches on the weekend. And, you know, I've been experimenting with the wontons and the egg rolls, and when I made the egg roll cheeseburgers, I've been thinking about this, and I thought, and sure enough, there are recipes out there for this. I am basically using the same ingredients that I use on my pizza, and then we're just going to use a egg roll wrapper instead of pizza dough. We're going to throw it in the air fryer. So friends, let me quickly go over the ingredients. It is very simple. There's not a lot of ingredients to it. First thing we're going to need are some egg roll wraps. These are vegan. That's all they had at my store. They were just out of everything. So we need that. And of course, we need some buffalo sauce. We're going to need some blue cheese. I really like this blue cheese a lot. It's the Lighthouse blue cheese. We're going to need some cream cheese and 2 scallions, and we're going to need some shredded, you see that? Shredded chicken. I buy the huge package at Costco. I believe it's a 3-pound package of their rotisserie chicken. It's already picked off the bone and put in a package, and I buy that, break it down into 3 individual 1-pound packages, and that's what I use for recipes like this. Anytime I need shredded chicken, I use that for those recipes. So that's what I have here. I have about 2.5 cups of chicken. And friends, that's it. That's all you need, other than a little bit of spray to get it crispy on top. That's it. So we're going to turn the camera around and we're going to get this buffalo chicken egg rolls made. All right, my friends, so I have about 2 cups, a little bit more of shredded chicken in here. I have a 1/3 cup of blue cheese. You can add more blue cheese if you'd like. Hubby's not a huge fan of blue cheese, but he does like a little bit of it in there. So I'm going to break that up just a tiny bit, those big chunks. But you can definitely add a little bit more if you'd like. I'm just mixing this up now before I put in my cream cheese, just to get it mixed really well. Okay. Then I'm going to add in, I went ahead and chopped everything up ahead of time so you didn't have to watch me do that. I have 2 green onion. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, I just like mixing my stuff up one at a time. Get it mixed up really well. It already smells good. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead, add in our cream cheese. This has been sitting out on the counter to soften. I have 1/2 block, 4 ounces of cream cheese. I don't know if you heard that beep. That was my washer trying to get some laundry done. Okay, and get that mixed up really, really well. Alright, and put that to the side for a second. And we're going to go ahead, shake this up well. I have some buffalo sauce. I'm going to put in about a 1/4 of a cup or so. There we go. About 1/4 cup. Let's see how much we have in there. Yeah, that's perfect. All right. That mixed up really well. Can you see that, friends? Oh, it smells so good. It smells delicious. Yum. Cannot wait. I know this is gonna be good. Alright, looks like it's mixed up really well. Just make sure that cream cheese is softened a little bit. It does get to your hands stirring a little bit, especially when you have arthritis. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead. Take our egg roll wrappers. Open them up. Let's put 2 of them down to start. Take our filling. I'm going to put them right here. We're going to put it on a diagonal, just like that. There we go. We are going to take our little bit of water. We're going to fold this over, roll it. We're going to bring this in like that, this in. I'm going to continue to roll it, and we're going to take our finger and dab it in some water. Get the tips. And fold it over just like that. Move this one over. Go ahead and roll that down. Push in the side. Bring that up. Push that down. Bring it up. Continue rolling just like that. Wet corner there. Fold it over, and there we have our little egg roll. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of these. Then we'll get them in the air fryer. Alright, my friends, so I have my egg rolls on my tray now. Out of that recipe, I got 9 egg rolls. Obviously, if you're feeding a lot more people, you're going to want to make more. But like I said, this is a great little appetizer for 2. Now I'm going to take my spray, and if you have a non-stick basket or tray, please use a oil spritzer. Try not to use this aerosol can because it can damage the non-stick surfaces. Oh, before I get started, I do want to preheat my air fryer. Sorry, forgot about that. I'm going to preheat it on 400. I'm just going to preheat it for about 3 minutes, I guess. So while that's preheating, let's go ahead and spray these. So get nice and brown on top. So that's preheating, and when that's done, we'll go ahead and put it in the oven. Alright, my friends, my oven is preheated. So I'm going to go ahead and put my egg rolls in. I'm going to put it on 400. Then I'm going to put it in for 4 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and flip it. Alright, my friends, timer went off. Oh, I can already see they're looking good. We're going to go ahead and just flip them over. Just like that real quick. right, I'm going to give it another quick little spray. And I'm going to put it back in for about 4 more minutes, and then we'll check them to see if they're done. Alright, my friends, let's see. Oh, they look delicious. Oh, look at those, friends. Oh, yes. Probably could have let them go a little bit longer on the other side, like 5 minutes on that side. Look at that, friends. Yum! Yum, yum. Oh, they smell so good, too. Let's go ahead and get these plated up. All right, my friends, here we go. Does that look delicious or what? Oh, my goodness. Can't wait to try it. Oh, my goodness. So delicious. You can serve it with a side of ranch, some celery, extra buffalo sauce to dip it in. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Love it. Oh my goodness. Really, really enjoy that. I know hubby's gonna like this. I'm filming this for lunch for him today, so I know he's gonna enjoy this one. So friends, I really appreciate you guys checking in and following me and subscribing. As I mentioned before, it's Air Fryer February, and I'm gonna squirrels out on the deck and it just caught my eye. It's Air Fryer February, where I'll be sharing air fryer recipes, videos, or links to other sites. So I hope you guys will go ahead and follow me for Air Fryer February, and hopefully you'll get a lot of new ideas. And if you try any of these recipes, please let me know. I love hearing from you. I'm always looking for your thoughts on the recipes that I'm sharing. If you like them, even if you don't like them, I'd like to know. Or if there's something that you made and you thought an additional ingredient would make it even better, please put it in the comments section. I am always open. That's why, you know, we're doing this. I love doing this, sharing what I'm doing, but I also love learning as well. So I love hearing from you guys. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.